Hi kids, I'm happy to see you all again. Today we'll learn about sight words and high frequency words. Let's get started. First we'll learn what are sight words and high frequency words. Sight words are phonetically irregular. They must be taught as a whole word. A child needs to memorize and know how to spell it and recognize them automatically. High frequency words should be read fluently and automatically upon sight. These words are most frequently used in English language and many are not spelled phonetically. So we need to memorize these words as sight words. Kids, both high frequency and sight words should be practiced over and over again until you master them. Let's start today's session. I, on, on, off, off, or, no, no, go, go, do, do, to, to, so, so, be, be, he, he, me, me, we, we, by, by, my, my, at, at, an, am, am, as, is, is, in, in, it, it, if, if, high, high, us, us, un, un, up, up. Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.